Welcome to our channel. So today you get 100 massive machines making waves in the world of manufacturing. Their use in advancing construction and mining, agriculture, and manufacturing has been nothing short than revolutionary, with the giant technology opening up avenues for progress and efficiency that simply weren't there a couple of decades ago. So, without further ado, let's start ripping these incredible engineering accomplishments apart. Starting with construction, where huge bulldozers and other earth-moving equipment get to work. Their powerful hydraulic arms and buckets allow excavators to dig, lift, move formidable amounts of earth. Without them we would still be digging through earthlands using shovels and be almost behind in terms of the advancement of human civilization. These are huge machines that are necessary for large construction works and used to build objects, railways, and massive buildings. Another mainstay of the construction world, bulldozers are built to push around massive amounts of soil, sand, rubble, and more. Modern bulldozers feature sophisticated GPS systems, which are so precise that grading and leveling tasks are done with near-perfect precision, providing the ultimate site preparation for construction projects. Bigger than them are things like bucket wheel and dragline excavators used in mining. Especially in open-pit mines, the large rotating wheels with the multiple buckets of bucket wheel excavators remove enormous amounts of overburden and minerals. Compactors, shredders, and other waste management and recycling machinery that allow large amounts of waste to be processed quickly. Automated sorting machines can now quickly separate varying materials more efficiently and accurately, aiding in the recovery of more items, increasing the recycling rates. Waste-to-energy technology facility, which is a solution to reduce landfill dependency, providing a more sustainable option for the waste removed from garbage bins. Industrial robots are changing production lines in manufacturing. These robots perform all jobs including intricate welding, painting, assembly, and even material handling with unmatched accuracy and speed. They can learn to take on different tasks and also begin to refine their skills the more they are used, with artificial intelligence and machine learning integrated into their design. 3D printers are changing the way we manufacture parts and prototypes in an affordable and speedy fashion. They layer materials onto one another, and they can work with everything from plastic and metal to ceramics to biological tissues. Aerospace through healthcare stands to change by the production of bespoke parts, as and when needed. Turbines and solar farms are creating a source of renewable energy in the energy sector. Wind turbines use wind to convert the kinetic energy of wind to electricity, and solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electrical energy. And to do that, deploying these technologies is extremely important to not contribute in our relentless consumption of fossil fuels, and also to fight climate change. Think massive machines changing the energy map, the hydroelectric dams of another, recent, past. Not only do these dams make use of flowing water to produce electricity, but they also serve as renewable and secure power generation. Hydroelectric dams vary in the complexity of their engineering and the logistical challenges of their construction and operation, reflecting the unique logistics connected with making large-scale infrastructure happen. Oil rigs are a technological revolution of oil extraction that extracts oil or gas from the soil wounds, either offshore or onshore from beneath the Earth's surface. These rigs are also associated with fighting drilling technology and safety system, setting the standard for drilling in some of the toughest conditions on Earth. Oil rigs are giant mechanical beasts that demonstrate humanity's capability and technological progress. High-speed trains are changing how we travel in the transportation space. They allow trains to travel at 300 kilometers an hour, making them faster, reducing the time of travel, linking cities more efficiently. High-speed trains are equipped with engineering and aerodynamic advancements that enable them to travel smoothly and safely, offering a secure and comfortable means of transit. Commercial aircraft are nothing short of marvels of modern engineering, from the Boeing 787 to the Airbus A350. Planes fly huge distances with hundreds of passengers. These planes are made from advanced materials like carbon fiber composites, and are fitted with state-of-the-art engines to provide such performance along with fuel efficiency. Massive cargo ships in the shipping sector transport goods around the world's oceans. These massive ships bear thousands of containers, which is the foundation that allows global trade to function on such a broad international level. Advancements in ship design, like more efficient hull shapes and propulsion systems, help to improve the performance and sustainability of these vessels. And subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Check back soon for another installment of the incredible achievements in engineering.